Hi guys, in this video I'll show you that how you can bass boost on the Audacity software on your any audio or the music file. So first you have to open up your Audacity, click on the file and just select the file you need to increase the bass. Now here you will see guys this music. To increase the bass, click on the effect option. So once you click on the effect here, you just need to scroll to the EQ and filters. Now here you will see the bass and treble on the first. Now here you will see this box and on the first option you will see the bass. Now here you can just increase it and give its value, like I can give it the 5 value and then just simply click on the apply. So now it was applied to your music, then you can just simply play it. So now you are seeing guys the bass is not much increased. So I can just again go to the effects, go to the bass and treble, and then I can just increase it to 17%. Click on the apply, then I can just simply play it. And guys, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if this video is useful for you, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.